Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows detected a hard disk problem Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand administrative templates, click and expand system. Click and expand troubleshooting and diagnostics. Click and expand disk diagnostic. Open disk diagnostic, configure execution level, change to disabled. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.